Hey guys, second set of problems. In this one, we're going to find the lateral area, which is like we did in the last problem. And we're also going to find the surface area, which is new to this problem. So for number two, pretty much doing it the same way as before. I want to find a place to cut it, and then I want to open this up. Um, so when I take and cut this and open it up, it's going to look something like that. Um, and we can go ahead and start getting dimensions for this. Now, if you remember from last time, this ended up equaling the height, and that was equal to the height of the prism. So in this case, this is 15. Okay, so I have that. I'm ready to go on. The other thing that we had is we took a look for the perimeter of the base, and that's the base here. So in the case of this, the perimeter of the base is like that. And so we could start figuring out what it is. So it's 11, and then it would be 10 because these match, and then 11, and then 10. So if we took a look at this, it would be 11, 10, 11, 10. And collectively, all of this is the perimeter of the base. And so we would go ahead and we'd do the perimeter of the base times the height, just like we did last time. So the lateral area is equal to the perimeter of the base times the height. And that ends up being equal to, let's see, the perimeter of the base, we can add that up in our head. That's 22 plus 20, which is 42. You can check my math. That's adding up those. So the way that I did that is I just went ahead and I added all these. Okay, so that's 42. And then the height is 15. So then I would do 42 times 15, which is, let's see, running this quickly in my head, the lateral area ends up being, let's see, 30 plus 6, 30 plus 600. So 30 plus 600 is 630. Okay, so that's the lateral area, and that is an area, so that'd be in meters squared. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the surface area. Now the surface area is equal to the lateral area plus the bases. And if you take a look at it, there are how many bases? Well, there's two, 1 and 2, right? So those are two of them. And so I just need to find out what that base area is. Now for base area, I use big B. For the base area is just going to be length times width. So that would be 10 times 11. So the base area is going to be equal to 110. So then I could just sub in and find the surface area. So that's 630 plus 200, or 2 times 110, which is 220. So that ends up being 850 meters squared. And that is our answer for our surface area. So surface area is 850. And lateral area is 630. We'll do the other one in another video.